The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 takes on the Dunlop's Winter Response 2 in the Middle European Winter Showdown. Precision performance versus practical comfort. Both are long-standing favourites among winter drivers, each with its own loyal following. But which one is better? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are shown in percentages, with the Michelin's Pilot Alpin 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobuild's 2025 winter tyre tests. On wet braking, both stop almost identically, showing no measurable difference, but in wet handling, the Michelin run 3 km per hour faster, giving it a 4% advantage. In straight-line aquaplaning, it also holds grip up to 1.1 km per hour longer before liftoff, a 1% improvement. So overall, Michelin dominates handling and aquaplaning, while braking remains neck and neck. On snow, Dunlop gains ground. It stops 0.3 meters shorter, about 1% better in braking, and delivers 75 Newton more traction force, roughly 3% stronger. Michelin answers back with a 0.7 km per hour faster snow handling, a 1% improvement, keeping better directional precision through corners. So overall, Dunlop edges snow grip, while Michelin maintains agility. The Dunlop outlasts Michelin by 3,700 km, roughly 8% longer tread life. So overall, Dunlop wins on durability and long-term wear. On dry braking, Michelin stops 2.9 meters shorter, a 6% advantage. In dry handling, the Michelin averaged 2.3 km per hour faster, giving it a 2% edge and sharper steering feel at high speeds. So overall, Michelin dominates the dry test with superior grip and response. Comfort goes to Dunlop with a 0.7 points higher in subjective comfort ratings, resulting in 3.5% smoother ride, while both are equally quiet on noise levels. Dunlop shows a slight 0.12 lower rolling resistance coefficient, about a 1% advantage, making it slightly more fuel efficient. When it comes to pricing, the Dunlop Winter Response 2 is 13% lower, making it a more budget-friendly winter option without major trade-offs. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 excels in dry and wet precision, ideal for drivers seeking sporty control in winter. On the other hand, the Dunlop Winter Response 2 offers better snow, comfort, efficiency, and longevity, perfect for practical daily use.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.